Namaste. Summers are here and I'm sure all of you or most of you are saying अरे बहुत गर्मी है. जैसे कि विंटर्स में अरे बहुत सर्दी है. सर्दी तो इस साल सबसे ज़्यादा है. Similarly, we end up saying the same thing in summers. So let's take advantage of this summer for improving our health and fitness instead of complaining of the summer. So what are some quick, easy ways of improving your health, fitness goals during this summer? So let me quickly take all of you through 4 tips. So 2 are related to lifestyle and the other 2 are related to our food, which is also a part of our lifestyle. Yeah. So the first tip is to start moving. That is to also start exercising every single day or at least 3 to 4 days in a week, which is the minimum that we need to give to ourselves to improve our long-term health and fitness. So any form of exercise that you enjoy, because this is the time कि आपको बेड से उठने में ज़्यादा laziness नहीं feel होगा. The nature will itself support you to get out of bed and start moving. So it is the best time of the year to take your first step towards fitness, towards exercise. So any form of exercise that you enjoy, and please try to make yoga a part of your weekly routine with at least 2 or 3 days of yoga per week. And for those who are already practicing yoga as a part of their health routine, so in that what you want to take care now in this this season is to go with more forward bends, more inversions, and including a lot of slow easy pranayama, like the Nadi Shuddhi pranayam or the cooling pranayamas, which will also help in keeping the body heat in control. So this is the first step. The second tip or the second step is to get some sunlight exposure, because there are so many countries in this world which hardly get sunlight for 2 or 3 months in a year. That's all. And they know what is the importance of getting exposed to sunlight, because sunlight ka exposure nahi hone ke karan we get all this cracking, buckling in our knees, in our joints, and we think that it is lack of lubrication. A lot of times it is also because of lack of vitamin D and lot of other benefits that sunlight provides us. And this is the best time of the year to take advantage of this. And how do you do this? By just making sure that probably early morning or early evenings get some good sunlight. Make sure it's not very harsh, that you develop any kind of redness or too much of dryness because of harsh sunlight. So just about 5 to 7 minutes of good sunlight every single day, early mornings or early evenings, to take care of your bones, your joints, your mental health, and a lot of other benefits that sunlight has to offer, right? And the second the second part of it, which I said that which will be about food. So the first tip here is to improve your hydration, because all of you know that during summer, because of increase in bodily sweat and increase in the temperature outside, we lose a lot of water. And that's the reason that many of you might be feeling headache hona, या फिर आँखों के नीचे puffiness आ जाना, or even feeling migraines or acidity. So what do you do in that case? You want to increase your hydration levels by doing what? So do we start taking a lot of fruit juices or drinking a lot of rasna and such processed juices? Not at all, because instead of improving your health and fitness, they are going to make you gain weight and make you more unhealthy, make you more prone to infections and a lot of other problems. So what do we want to take here to improve hydration is some natural sources, natural drinks. For example, sugarcane juice, if it is kept in a hygienic way and served in a hygienic way, is a wonderful option. The second would be tender coconut water, which is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, and you shouldn't miss that in summers if you have access to it. what are the other two things that you can do? One is mud pot water, यानी कि अपने पानी को आपको रखना है मिट्टी के बर्तन में for at least 10 to 12 hours and take that around the day or at least in the morning, which works wonderfully in reducing body heat. And also taking in some flavored water could be a good option for those who are not used to drinking a lot of water. So what you can do is just probably a few slices of 3 or 4 slices of cucumber in a jug of water, or probably some mint, like a strand of mint leaves in your after it is washed in your jug for at least 1 or 2 hours, and then you can go about drinking it around the day, which will be wonderful as well. So this is the first tip when it comes to making what are the changes that you need to do in your food. And when I say this, you always want to go with your body signals whenever you feel thirsty, but here you have to make an effort to be aware of the needs of your body, right? If you're feeling a lot of burning sensation in your urine or a lot of dryness in your lips or your body, definitely improving your hydration levels will be good. And the last one for the day is to just make sure that you increase a lot of raw food in your diet, because winter में तो हम कहते हैं अरे मुझे ठंडा ठंडा खाने का इच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, and we leave the salad, we leave the fruits, and we want cooked food. But in summers, this is the best time if you want to detoxify, cleanse and lose weight. It's the best time of the year. So include a lot of raw food in your diet. One way would be including fruits in the whole form, especially during your mornings as a morning meal or as a mid-morning or mid-evening meal, which would be a wonderful idea. Make sure they are seasonal fruits, and including salads, which could be probably before your lunch, a big plate of salad, which works wonderfully if you're looking at reducing your weight, if you're looking at an overall improvement in your energy levels. Yes, so these are the 4 tips that you definitely need to include in your health and fitness journey. I hope you do them, and if you do have any questions, you can post in the comment sections. Thank you so much.